Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Welcome to our channel.
Please subscribe and hit the bell button to get a notification every time we post a new video. My mother says cooking is like art. When we all draw the same image, we get different images. So please watch this video even if you know the recipe. Today, we are going to make tricolor salad of our national flag. The ingredients are carrot, cucumber, and green gram sprouts. My sister has measured 1 agar of green gram dal. We have to wash it with water and soak it with water.
Mom, I don't want to watch it. Wait, don't.
See, all the dirt is coming and reflecting in the water. That is why we wash it and then soak it, or it will be soaked with all the dirty water, and then the dirt will come into our stomach and cause us some infection. That's why we wash it. Baby, wash it properly, okay? And now, after washing it thoroughly, you strain it. Now we have to soak it in 3 to 4 times water. Now we have soaked it overnight, and look, it has doubled in size. See? This is an unsoaked green gram, and this is a soaked green gram. Look. Now we are going to drain the water and wash it gently, and after that we are going to transfer it into an aerated bowl and close it with a wet kitchen towel and set it aside until it sprouts. The seasoning is lemon juice, mango powder, chaat masala, cumin powder, black pepper, and salt.
Lemon juice.
Now I am going to grate the carrot. And the part that you cannot grate, you give it to your little sister to eat. And then you take off all the gratings that are extra without cutting your hands by accident. And now we are going to put it into the bowl. You should try and get all the pieces you can so you don't waste any gratings. Now we are going to cut the cucumber. Now we are going to cut it into small pieces. Or we can also cut it like this. Now I am going to add the cucumber. Now I am going to add the sprouts. Now I am going to add the seasonings. Now we are going to mix it. Ta-da! Salad is ready. Super yummy, yeah? Super yummy. Please press the like button if you like our video.